In this video we will talk about a very common bird, Turdoides striata, which is commonly known as jungle babbler.
Size 25 cm. Mus 66 gram. Range common endemic breeding resident throughout low hills and foothills except parts of northeastern India and Sri Lanka. Habitat open woodlands, scrub cultivation gardens, villages. Overall gray-brown babbler. Light brown head, whitish iris, stout, yellow bill, short, dark eyebrow, pale lores, dark brown tail. Underparts paler with some grayish streaking on breast. Western race Somervillei may be separate species, with chestnut tail and dark brown primaries. Extremely noisy. Feeds in groups on insects and seeds, mainly on ground. Confiding and inquisitive. Breeds throughout the year. Nests in bushes.